As Kenya breweries, our question was, how then do we become relevant to the retailers who are part of our value chain and part of our system? And so this is how Raising the Bar initiative came into being. And it's part of the $100 million pounds that Diageo is giving out across the world. And for this program, Kenya Breweries is going to spend 330 million Kenya shillings to raise the bar. And our focus is 11,000 bars across this country. And what do we want to do with these 330 million Kenya shillings? We want to ensure that we are assisting these bars to meet the set health protocols. And actually, you've mentioned them very clearly. We want to ensure that people have sanitizing dispensing units. People have personal protection. But also remember that when COVID happened, one of the biggest things is we need to keep social distance. So for Sami in K1, he needs to start asking himself, how do I create extra space here? And one of the things that Kenya Breweries in this fund will be doing will be supporting our retailers with mobile bars, with garden sets, with parasols, and any equipment that they can expand and give distance outside there.
But I also want to say that if there is a time and the opportunity to streamline our occupational health and safety measures, it is now. Because COVID-19 has shown us just that. That if we ever left behind the workplace as a place of health, then we can no longer do that. And from the Nairobi Metropolitan Services, we've made a deliberate effort to reach out to all industries, transport sector, the hospitality sector, schools, to make sure that all workplaces, and not just workplaces, all spaces of occupation where there are human beings, including this place, is a place of health. Because promoting health has become much, much more important than treating diseases, as we have learned. Because sometimes, as COVID-19 has taught us, we may not succeed in treating diseases, but we may succeed in preventing the disease. But it is even better when we can promote the health and keep away diseases such as the pandemic.
We are very proud as East African breweries. Not really proud, actually. We are humbled. We are humbled to be able to play this role for the industry and for the society. Within our ecosystem, we have over 40,000 bars. We have over 20,000 mainstream bars that sell bottled beer. These are a bit bigger, a bit more spacious, right? We have over 20,000 keg bars that sell Senator keg. These outlets allow us as social beings to come to a place that is safe, that is neat, and to enjoy ourselves and our drink that is affordable and clean. Let us never forget, it's important that the drink is safe and clean. So when we were shut down in March, we all understood why. And I think the struggle was, what do we do? Because we know there are over 300,000 people that are depending on us, that are looking at us and asking what happens next. So when we were told about Modern Green and Sabina Joy, if you went on social media, you'd have seen the jokes. Because guys were like, of all the bars in Kenya, those two, it was an interesting challenge. And I think for me, we've not completed the work, we have just begun the journey in terms of reframing what this industry looks like, how this industry operates, and what it means to society.